Good morning, my good people. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, it's a bright morning ever, as you can see outside. And anyway, guys, I missed you a lot, maybe like 2 to 3 days, but I'm back again. So in our village here, maybe you must maybe run through maybe challenges here and there. But anyway, guys, I'm just okay. So today, let's follow the vibe. And we shall see what's next. So technically this is my house here, and right now I'm coming from my house right now, and I have already maybe washed my face, so I'm just outside. And over here, oh, let me turn my music first, guys. Here, they wanna give me copyright. So I don't like copyright, guys. Copyright. Wow. So first thing, I want to wear the shoes. I put this one here because it's dirty. Wow. So I'm telling you guys, it's time. Oh, it's early morning over here, and hey, oh guys, wiping this. At the same time, I have my mom here. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, it's early morning, and this is my African mom. So now she feels so good launching water. I'm telling you, there's a time I made a video launching water, but it's so late. And right now, I think the water is working. You see, it's working. So we thank God right now. It's a time of raining season, and raining is coming. Boom boom. Wow. And inside over here, this is the tea here cooking very early in the morning. You see, look. Wow. That's my brother over there washing utensil, arranging there. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my brother. That is it. Wow. So I'm outside. I'm telling you guys, I'm outside like that. Wow. Let me take you to my projects. Man, I missed you a lot. Maybe 2 to 3 days. I think so. But I'm just back. Let me share with you my good story and my good vlog. Wow. And I feel today I'm going to visit that land which I bought for my friend, to see maybe they wanna they try to uproot maybe beans and whatever, because they have some few minutes or some few couple of days to get out, to put everything out, maize and all stuff. Wow. So technically on tomorrow, on Wednesday, between 2 days, I'm sure I'll work here with the full force. I want to finish this structure as much as possible. By God's grace, we shall win. Wow. Come along with me, guys. So, but I don't want to talk too much. You have already seen my mom lock here because there's very expensive tiles there and cement and whatever. But anyway, when I'm coming outside to fix tiles, it does this part here that you see a long way here. And when I fix both this toilet inside and outside, we already have the tiles. I'll work on outside. And guys, if you can support maybe 2 boxes, 3 boxes of this place here, maybe like, let me say from here up to here, it's 3 boxes I can fix, and then say thank you so much. Maybe going that way, slowly guys. So today I will never use my motorbike because I want to vlog these videos while I'm walking on the way from here up to the farm. But I know it's long distance from my home up to where I bought the land for my friend, and technically beware with me. So this is the maize corn over here. As you can see, it's growing so big, man. Wow. And it's early morning here, but we thank God for the gift of life. We thank God for everything that I have granted for us, and God give us a good health. Like I personally myself, I say, God, thank you so much. Wow. Let's go. But anyway, guys, on the comment section, don't ask me, why don't you use a motorbike? Today, I feel like I could make exercise. Wow. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I want to say goodbye, beautiful home. And wow, man, we have our cow here. We have our cow over here. They are grazing, you see, over here. And there's my dad's home. Wow, let's go, let's go. My good people, I missed you. Like let me say 3 to 4 days. Wow. So that is my beauty of my village, and technically I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful, man. Wow. You know, guys, I missed you like 2 to 3 days, and then I said today I must wake up early in the morning and then to say hi, to say hello to you, to say hi to my dad and mom, hi to my brother and my sister. I'm back. In case you're new here, guys, please subscribe my videos. Lord to 6K subscriber. 1 minute, guys. I want to take my battery because I see this one sometime will fall down or will shut down, and I need to have maybe the backup. When it's shut down, I already have another backup of the battery, because these videos, it's longer today. Wow, guys, and that's my outfit for today, you see. Wow. Let's go, guys. Nowadays I'm shining because of you, by watching my videos, and you made it possible. And right now my entire life will be changing slowly by itself, step by step, you know. So I want to take the battery right now, and we hit the road like that. Wah! Hey. Hey. Oh, let's take my battery, man. You know, I have sharp mind. Oh, boom. Mom, don't take one of my body. Oh, guys, sorry, guys. My house is dark, but it is what it is. I came to take this battery here. Maybe it has some power, but I don't know. You see, this is my battery on my camera. Oh. Imwamwer ni Anthony Chimbire Kumboron. Era warogo ranga niyo warogo twarago rivere. Kawa tuma ni sirengi change. Nuracho webo tori. Wow, guys. Guys, I bought a trouser and my mom told me it's have maybe some problem with the pocket. I don't know, maybe to put maybe things like coin and stuff. Hi. And stuff. Oh mama, where? Ma. Yoni kitu kidogo itashona tu hapo. Kana tulacho wewe mboto ulichimbiria. It's because of machine. Vatari ukagiru utume mapema. Itashona tu. Niko na dani meraruka vote. Guys. This is my brand new clothes. Right, but my mom advised me don't put one on that because it has some problem. And at the same time, I want to take my power bank. Oh, I have a lot of things to do. But guys, sorry for this. I want to take my power bank to the charging system at Nyabohanse, because right now we doesn't have any solar here. We have a small solar over there, and it's not working so powerful. So I take the power bank at Nyabohanse and then I continue my video. Wow, I'm so confused. I'm supposed to go this way or this way, but let me go this way. Whew. Guys, please, if you find my video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Load to 6K subscriber and share my videos to your family. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Baby here. And guys, I'm trying to change my name because I'm using this as a brand on my YouTube channel. But people calling me I'm a baby. No. I'm a mature enough, I'm a grown up, and maybe people confused with my name, you know. But it is what it is, I'm just flow the vibe. Let's go. And I wake up in the morning like this, I'm showing you the beautiful sceneries, green nature, and all stuff. Do you know what I mean, guys? But when I'm shooting this video, when I'm walking, a little bit I'm showing you maybe everything around my village. But when I shoot the videos while on a motorbike, I show you maybe a little bit and all stuff. That is it. It's cold. Wow. I'm heading this way, guys. I'm outside. You see the green nature, the maize corn. And that being said, farming is our backbone in our village here. And most of the time we harvest food from shida ni gani kijana? Tunaenda wapi nyumbani? Oh, yeah. That being said, guys, farming is our backbone, and we can harvest or we can peel it any food from the farm like this direct you cook. And that being said, even this maize you can peel it, you cook githeri. If you don't know, githeri is the mix of beans and maize. Wow. So let's go. And I was greeting my brother who passing there. My brother from another mad. Maybe if you are neighborhood, we called brother from another mad. That is it. Oh. But when I'm coming this way, the sun is facing that way. You can see me clear. But anyway, let's go. My beautiful people, I missed you loads. I missed you loads. But I'm going to check the land of my friend. It's a long time, but things can happen there, and I haven't knew because it took me like 1 month. I haven't go down there, so simply because I was busy right left center to make sure that I get tiles, I get everything. And right now, maybe by God willing, when I get the tiles for the small perimeter wall or the small porch which cover or block the doors, man, I will feel so good. But the step that I made, I want to say, God, thank you so much by getting those tiles, and thank you so much by those people keeping supporting me in other way. I can't complain. My God bless you, and wherever that supporters come from, God rewarded 1,000,000 times. That's from my bottom of my heart, and my God keep joining you and me and my family through prayers. We shall win. Wow. Let's go. So I want to finish that toilet by fixing tiles outside, but other side I will put a rough cast, I will paint, and then by the end of January I want to resume back to the huge or to the big project ever. And automatically that's my mom's dream house is coming by maybe purchasing materials on January after finishing all stuff, maybe finishing my toilets, maybe painting and everything. So I think by January, by God willing, the starting of January is the time of buying material like crazy. When I get $50, I buy this, $30, I buy this, and it's all by itself, man. So no complicated issues, you know. I want to finish one chapter after another. That is it. And I'll go to say hi to my former primary school, which is close, near to other side, you know. It's long time. Wow. I will show you where I learned in my primary level, and I wanna think maybe 90% of the YouTuber learn on the same primary school, which my sister nowadays learned. Wow. But guys, I realized one thing. When I'm going back this way, the light face on my face. But anyway, let's go. Let's go. Wow. You see how African roads looks like? It's totally different. But oh, this is the real life in our village here. I can walk like let me say around 40 minutes from my home up to the next land which I bought for my friend near to Congrats Dad's home. It's around 40 to 45 minutes, I think so. Wow. Wow. You see everywhere maize corn, but right there is a mixture farming. We have maize corn, we have cassava, we have sweet potatoes inside there. I see. Maybe I thought you can see, but anyway, let's go. Wow. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready for this? I want to give you a short brief tour to my primary school, and then maybe you see where Hello Babies land, those back years, and then maybe the way I am today. It's by God's grace. Dog, Pip, Kopo. Yes guys, let me say hi to this boy because it touched me to say hello. Yes guys, uko poa? Mbona umeamka asubuhi? Mbona umeamka asubuhi kukaa nje? Nani amekwambia ukae nje? Mama. Swingi ukae kwa nyumba badi imepika. Hauna sweta? Enda basi uvae sweta. Guys, I'm asking him to go and wear the sweater, guys. Right, I'm saying hello to him. Let's continue to our journey. You know, I was passing there, and then they keep pushing me, and then to say hello to him. I'm asking, where is your mom? They're inside, and the kids are outside, and it's totally cold. Wow, let's go. Let's go, guys. There's the real life in our village here. African Kenya. But one day, maybe when I get like $20, I will make shopping for that family, for that humble family. It really touched me a lot, and even right now, guys, I think I could shed tears. Wow. But hopefully one day, even Christmas Day, I will make shopping for them. I think so. But if I know where I'm coming from, and when I see other families struggling, I feel so bad. 100% on Christmas Day, guys, I'll support that kid. Maybe, not maybe, I'll support that kid. I'm telling you. Wow. When I see the background where he came from, and I feel so bad. But it's by God's grace. On Christmas Day, I'll take him to the shopping center to wear the clothes and buy for him some Christmas, maybe food stuff. I'm telling you. You promised me, guys. Wow. It really touched me a lot. Guys, even I feel like I'm so tired, you know. Maybe it's the angel of heaven connect me, go and say hi to that boy. But on Christmas Day, guys, if you're watching these videos, promise me on Christmas Day I will take that kid to the shopping center, and then I make for them some shopping for the Christmas, and I buy that kid some clothes. I'm telling you, I feel so bad. The situation that I found him where they are, I feel so bad. But anyway, guys, stop for another day. Let's go until I wait that time to be rich or calm. Even right now, the harvest sand from here to other side, you see. Oh. Let's go. Oh, that's my former school where my sister learned, and that being said, 90% of the YouTuber learned on that school, just over here. Oh, maybe I will say hello, and then I'll get out. This is the school which I learned, Reverend David Duvesco, and David is the name of somebody else by maybe those white peoples. Wow. This is my school, guys. You see the beautiful compound and everything. You see, guys, how it looks like. Look, very beautiful, guys, here. And during that, maybe when I'm reaching standard 8, we are the one, maybe in standard 8 we plant this flower garden that you see here. Wow. So I'm keep going to Nyabohansi, and all in well, everything's good. Wow. Good. I love that. Let's go. You see there? It's where we land. And that is it, guys. At least you see my primary school where I ran here. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Go, guys. Ooh. Time is running. Mash, karibu unakazana sana. That's one of my friends here. I will say hello. Oh, this is the morning vibe, guys. Ever. Good morning. Ga? Mama nena ninkwe kurekodi.
No, tatu meshirizo.
Tana sasa umakini pa banking kwa kuchaji. Toraskan.
Bara lakini. Uke baba ukura mai.
Ukura egas.
Gasi kura.
Ndiko nachiro ndejo fanganya to.
Bona so tamburi. Sangapi ro?
Inge saa 8 weekendera.
Nanyere bado kuna re. Aje chumburi bana ngota.
Akiri bagante bige saidi rambarera bado ngokora vankanya pasik.
Atu japano ninda asibache na maneno.
Aya.
Amana ke bana bakando chata bari gasi.
Hi guys, we have one of the restaurant called Joffa, and he was working there as maybe a security guard. And I'm telling him one day I was been there and then I didn't find you. Aya tata, tiange dede gasi. Aya. Aya. Mashirengo. Mbona sukuma ni ngozi kwa hapa. Wale mnaenda mnarudi nazi. Instead of hiring a motorbike, you put your clothes and pull it. Apart from Ekiore. Yeah, guys, I'm asking him how are you doing? Because sometimes we talk of vernacular language. Tricky situation. Kwa nini mzee ako mama menno? Hakuna. Basi leo jamaa kutoka Kisibani.
Yule jamaa kutoka Kisibani. Nadhani.
Oh guys. Nikusaidia kusukuma.
Wewe sukuma.
Okay, hold for me this. Guys, I'm telling him I want to assist you maybe to pull this stuff. Okay. Unaweza kuwa hapo nishike camera. Hivyo. You know to hold the camera like this as we go. Kana mara sio nzito. Masho simama hivi jamani. Hivyo. Unaona vile naenda kukirekodi. Kana mara
ati mezima, mbona mezima?
Imezima wapi? Wow, let's go. You see guys, and when I bought some tiles on previous day, I was supposed to put on tuk-tuk like this. Oh, some show. Oh, you know guys, I came to Nyabohanse to charge this power bank, and in my home no power. Even right now if you have solar, it's not working maybe so powerful. Right now the weather changed, maybe some couple of days and all stuff. Kumbe mimi nadhani hizi ngoni nzito, kumbe sio nzito. Aya. Nilikuwa nadhani ni nzito, unasukuma, unaenda unarudi. Kumbe ni nyepesi tu.
Ndio tu naweza beba kwa kichwa.
That's a man usibebe. They told me even this luggage of clothes you can carry on the head. Why don't you carry every day on head instead of pulling every day? With muscle, hey, you have strong muscle, bro. Woo. And guys, keep pushing these videos until we reach Nyabohanse cent within here. Sinkwambia gari sio yake. So guys, this is how Nyabohanse looks like. And I'll show you a little bit a center how it's look. And Nyabohanse is a popular village to the world, but a small village. I'm telling you guys, see how it looks like. It's a kind of a village. Wow.
Sure.
Wow.
Sure.
You see guys, it's my place. Look, it's a muddy place, and sometimes you can struggle by yourself. Hey Chacha, vipi? Uko poa? And guys, this is how Nyabuhanse looks like. I think you have already seen maybe in several times. This is how it looks like. You see everywhere, right, left, center, guys. Guys, I came to fix this power bank here, and I will fix there, like that. Oh, because of the music, say hello, I'm going.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to this channel. I'm Jasper One. I also have a YouTube channel. After watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Okay guys, because of the copyright, I'm supposed to run out, guys. I came to fix the power bank there, or to charge them, and I hope the music doesn't give me the copyright, guys, so stay tuned. Well guys, so finally I'm keep going. I'm keep striving hard, and this is the tobacco that you see here, guys. Look, this tobacco, you see, we have maize, we have tobacco. Imagine, guys, I'm telling you, in my village here, farming is our backbone. I'm telling you, guys, maybe you don't believe what I'm telling you, but the reality you see maybe on camera. Imagine this tobacco. Look, oh, going up to down, it's tobacco plantation, man. Wow. So I feel I left the tarmac road, and right now I'm using this good road that you see here. Whew. I personally, I love maybe traveling vlog, but sometimes where I came from is my pure village, guys. Super organic, super green. Oh, telling you guys. Imagine, guys, while I'm walking, I meet maybe several people's greeting, sharing ideas, but all in well, it's good maybe to say hello to your colleague, to say hello to your neighbors, things like that. Wow. Imagine, guys, when it's raining, fully raining, to harvest sand alongside the road. Imagine like this. It's sand there. Oh, let's go. Fully outside, and guys, see, it's within a few minutes it's gonna rain, guys. Look the cloud. I think you have already seen, and that is it. Maybe when I'm going this way you see me clear, but I'm keep going down. Wow. And guys, right now it's a circumcision ceremony, so I don't want to interact with them. So I personally, I fear maybe circumcision ceremony, maybe some kids are shedding, maybe we calling blood, so I don't want to interfere. Maybe doing this, doing that, I don't mind, you know what I mean. And you can see, guys, how green nature they are here, right? Safiri ukiwa Nairobi kabisa. Safiri ukiwa Nairobi.
Tena tu turinde ni aje.
Yes.
Content.
Content.
Irimenya mbere gukuhira. Naona cha body nyonyi.
Haya. Wow. I'm remaining with some few, maybe like less than half an hour. I reach on that land. I'm going this way and then go that way. Wow, I'll show you. Imagine, guys, coming from home up to where I'm going to. You can guess how many people I meet on the road. Greeting, shading, good idea. Wow. Chokoro! Like that guy that I'm greeting there, I'm greeting them. They said nowadays I see maybe things change, maybe like that. But for me, I'd say God, thank you so much to have a good health. And I'm not thinking maybe some crazy thing. Why not, guys? But I think I would minimize that body to be range where I am, like that. Wow. And I think I would get a ride from here. I think so. Let's go. Asukiambe. Karek datru karek. Roti bona rankuya. Oda jadi semua. Iya. Oh. Yang saya kemana ya tapi. Subscribe guys, saya sih belum namain. Oh guys, so I'm keep going and I'm remaining like 800 meter apart from here. I reach on that land, but I want to say big thanks for those people keep supporting the church here. We call SDA, and it's near close to our village, and you can see how toilets looks like, very amazing and all stuff, guys. And all in well, God first, and we must have the house of God within our village. So it's well, maybe door have already been fixed, windows, iron sheet, and man, may God bless you for those people that keep supporting the church. Thank you a million. You have fixed the windows, and I was being here, you see, guys. Oh. Well, guys, I was being here with David Jr. Big shout out to you. By the time maybe these windows were being made at fellow Bullet homes and all stuff, and I want to say thank you so much, because nowadays we have a good church, guys. You see this structure? We have a good church. We have a good church, guys. Over here. Yonesar.
What's up, guys? Welcome back again to Hello Baby channel. Kindly go support Hello Baby. Subscribe, share his video. Also, guys, you can leave us a comment down there. Yeah. Also, guys, I have my YouTube channel. Kindly go by the name Ben Chris. go there, share my video. Also, you can like. So it's early in the morning here, guys. As you can see, yeah, it is crowded. The climate has really changed. It is every day it do rains daily. So even the YouTubers have to shoot the video early in the morning. You know.
Yes, guys. So
Yeah.
today I feel like I could have maybe a strong shout out to Ben Chris, guys, and as he's got me to go and see that land from my neighbor.
Yeah.
So come on.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Ben Chris, and guys, maybe this is the first time to feature him on my channel. Go and check him, subscribe. Maybe when I get like 10 people, share to 100 people's subscriber on the videos. Ben Chris, guys, I really appreciate it. Maybe you can take him to 500 subscriber, and then next time 700, 1,000, like that. And if you wish, you can share these videos every day. Maybe he can manage to hit 1K subscriber, guys. So yes,
Kindly support me, guys, so that I can reach even 100. You know, now I'm 80.
80.
Yeah,
Yes, you just keep putting more videos every day, and then maybe one day we'll be here.
yeah, for sure, guys.
You can put maybe one day 1 videos, and then give you 800 subscriber, you know, things like that.
Yeah.
And sometimes you put some short videos, short, maybe crazy short videos, can give you subscriber. And then I will show you one day how to put maybe live videos, which can give you maybe watching hour. I will show you maybe tomorrow. I will show you. I want to show you one technique. Maybe less than 3 days you will hit 1K subscriber. I will show you. So I want to make that process, and then I'll show you guys.
So guys, here we are with Hero Baby. Yeah, a short tour
to my friend's land here, which I bought maybe let me say 1 month ago. And technically I came to visit that land to see how it's doing. Maybe sometime the cow would maybe spoil things, and I haven't knew, so I must be here. Whew. So this is the land which we bought recently time.
This one.
This one here.
This maize is
It's for the owner who sold for us the land. So maybe by the end of January he will take everything.
what about stones?
The stones were on the process. Maybe we decide to buy them or they take everything. But for us right now, we don't, maybe there's no issue to build a house right now.
It's a good brand.
Yeah, it's a good land. Oh, we don't acquire maybe large land. Oh. So guys, you can see even the maize is doing good. Wow. So this is the land which I came to check for, and then I'll go back home, guys. Even everything have been closed here, guys, I'm telling you. Huh? Yeah, the owner. But right now it's this land belong, maybe I'm the manager of this land for now. And then maybe I will block this everything, this bad block, I'll put a new one.
Yeah, they have some plastic. You can see.
Oh. Oh guys, and then everything's good. We look like this. Yeah. Oh. So you know the reason why Ben came here is to check maybe things like onions.
These are yours.
Yeah, for us, for now, are mine.
They are doing well here. This land is fertile.
I think it's okay. So let me check here. So you know our neighbors put the barbed wire. So maybe if I want maybe some time to fence, is to join on that fence and then going on the other side. Yo magahana vene hikiri. Sasa hapa nashindwa. Hapa ndio mpaka ama ni hapa?
Sasa kitu tutafanya, tutatoa hii, sasa si baki hapa.
Ani hiyo sasa unajua wanataka waje waweke fence.
Pia wewe. Sasa utakuwa unachimbia hapa.
Akabi iko hapo. Tunajoin tu kwa hiyo. Siku akipiga ukuta anaweka ukuta ndani. Nataka amba anything.
So guys, that's not too much. So guys, here we are in the runs for Hero Baby is the manager here. You can see the land is very fertile, guys. You can see maize are doing well here. Everything is fine here. Yeah. And it is really raining. Even the maize has now started putting seedlings, and they are really doing very well here. They are amazing, guys. Yeah. You can see the land is very fertile, guys. So the land is very fertile. Yeah. Also some beans, but I think they did well here. So guys, you can see it's really crowded everywhere. You can see there, it's crowd everywhere, guys. So guys, kindly go check Ben Chris. Also I have my YouTube channel. Also you can share my video, also like, leave a sweet comment down there. Also if you have not subscribed to Hero Baby, kindly subscribe to his channel, also mine. Go check Ben Chris. I think he can share my link to his channel, all my video, guys. You know, Hero Baby is a kind of person. I think he's a good person, guys. Has never talked badly about our boss here. Yeah, you can say he's a kind-hearted person. Kindly go check Hero Baby. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly go subscribe to Hero Baby. He's a good guy in the village, you know. He do help people here and there. So I think he's a good person, and he's supposed to be somewhere. Kindly take him to somewhere. He's on the way of reaching 10k subscriber. You know, there's not all people can give you their camera to start recording on their behalf, but on him, he has given me taking on his behalf and recording, guys. Kindly go check him. Yeah, if you have not subscribed, kindly go subscribe Hero Baby. Yeah, also go check Ben Chris there. I also have my YouTube channel. Yeah, I think he can share my link, all my video, so that you can see, you know, Ben Chris are many in the YouTube platform, so you can go to search, you find even 100 of them. I think if we share it, it will be good and fine. Yeah, I think we will be giving you amazing content daily, so stay tuned every day. Be waiting for amazing content and good positive vibe always. No drama here and there. Yeah, you just continue supporting us by watching our video. Don't skip ads, guys. Yeah, support us, guys. Support any YouTuber who talks positively and who does not have any drama, guys. You know the drama YouTubers in the village, I think you know them, guys. So kindly go support us wherever you are watching us from, and comment down there. Also go check Ben Chris, as I have told you. I think I will tell him to share my link, all my video, so that you can see. Yeah, guys. Hero Baby, I was telling them that you can share my video, all my link, so that they can see, because Ben Chris are many in the YouTube platform. They can go to search, they find even 100 of them and wonder who is Ben Chris, who you was talking in Hero Baby's channel. So guys, he will share my link there, you'll see. Yeah, so guys, I was telling you, he's a really kind-hearted guy. You know, not many people. Some people, you get some people who can give you their camera and record. Even this time that I have recorded like 5 minutes. He's a very good person, you know. Not many people, guys, for sure. Kindly support him in any means. Yeah, also go check my channel I'm at a row, guys. If you share my video, for example, you are 300 views, for example, you share to 5 people. 5 times 300, that is like 1500. And both of you subscribe to my channel. It will be a good and amazing guys. So kindly share my video. When you go there, you view my video, kindly go subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Also to Hero Baby, do the same. Yeah, you know, in this platform is supporting one another by any means, guys. So kindly go check both of us. Also I have my sister, go check Robbie Girl. Also my boss, if you have not subscribed, kindly go subscribe. Yeah, that is it. Kindly go support every YouTuber who talk positively. Yeah, that's okay. So he's coming, guys. He's just here. Yeah.
Oh guys, I think you can add information from Ben, Chris, and guys, today I'll share the link on my videos, and in Able you can maybe search him and subscribe.
Yeah.
And he was a really nice guy, so just over here. And I think guys, maybe more amazing videos coming. So he was brothers to Robbie Girl, guys.
Yeah.
Sure.
Robbie Girl is my sister. Yeah. Also you can go to Robbie Girl if you have not go to his channel and go support her. Yeah, by subscribing if you have not subscribed. Also you can like her video and leave us a comment there. That will motivate her.
Guys, it's good to support our brother and sisters. Maybe if today I have, and it's good to share with my brother and sisters. Maybe tomorrow I will lose, and then maybe for him we'll support him in another way. So guys, thank you so much. I think the land is okay and everything's good. Thank you so much. Maybe the owner of this land who watch these videos, everything is okay. So I think maybe it's less than 1 month without maybe coming here, but I decided today I must be here and check everything, how it's going. But maybe nothing maybe going wrong, and everything's good and good, guys. So thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Oh guys, so I want to check my brother's land here. Mura, enda kuchunga. Young kids are going to take care of the goats, guys. Imagine. So I want to check there's some progress of making bricks here for my neighbor, and I want to see how it's prospered right now, because it's long time, man. I'm telling you, without maybe coming this side here. Koroboke, man. Boy. So I was greeting that mom. Koroboke is a vernacular language, means morning, mom, hi, mom. All can maybe fit somewhere else. Wow. I'm telling you, if you remember the time I was struggling with my brother looking for the land, and finally the first land which we went through, he's supposed to buy, and because of the price and all stuff, but all in well, God's good, we get another land here. And I made our videos, you have already seen, and the technical right now is the store here. For a meanwhile, wow, he crashed the stones, man, from the borehole here. Wow. And right now the water's coming up, look like crazy. Hey. Wow. And this is the shade here. Tata, monto nava kumia makaratasi. Nako. Wow. Yo hatetu makaratasi ko nako. They're making bricks right now, guys. Nkumba madongo kanona ko. Taregeges. Sasa mbiko hatu kuchaka kama kia kongo.
Sasa. Ogoto mwe, igeto ayi mwe. Topamban.
Numano kotem.
Antore na tabia. Kama na rango si.
They're making bricks, guys. You see right now. And this one. Kini buya gari. Makata sumchaba no agora.
Atere ndi nyumba.
Nendroch. Okimonana ko. That's how we make bricks, guys. I'm telling you. Arante mesi muhete mahekebure mukugende.
Ideta. Ovamba tot.
So and then he put down there. So and anyway, guys, the muddy and he made the bricks. And for meanwhile, we burned them and it looked like red in color. So that is it. Wow, all that you see covered by the pulping paper, it's bricks. Look, wow. And if you want to create a good thing, you must have maybe like making bricks, you must have maybe pulping paper. Even right now, it's raining time, and you doesn't maybe believe anytime it can rain, and if you doesn't have the pulping paper, you might end up by big loss. Wow. So I'm keep going back. I hope today maybe you learned something very special on my today's vlog. Wow, guys, kids are washing clothes. Hi. No, they have she has a small laundry. They're washing clothes. Hi. Wow. Look, that's Mama Aunt's family. You can see. Wow. Let's go, guys. So maybe on today's videos, it depends where I can end my videos from. But oh yeah, so I was shocked that that I'm lost my battery. I realized I have it. This is my GoPro's battery, which come with my GoPro, but the last or the backup of the battery, Jamaican uncle surprised me. Big shout out to Jamaican uncle. He was a nice guy, all the way from Georgia. And currently he working from Georgia, but he was born and raised in Jamaica, in St. Elizabeth. So he was a humble man and honest man. He support us here and there. And in the other way, I want to say thank you so much. Big shout out to Jamaican uncle. My God bless you guys. So we shall meet on the next video, guys. I'm keep vlogging these videos until when it reach my target. Guys, I'm keep going back home, and right now it's raining like some few couple of an hour, and technically I'm just heading home, guys. Imagine there's a church here. So maybe on today's video, guys, you wanna get yesterday videos, which is on Sunday, and then you see how I'm escorting my family to the church on a motorbike, because yesterday time was so limit. And that is it, guys. So I'm rushing home to wear the jacket, because right now it's fully cold outside here. Wow, guys, maybe are you ready for this, for yesterday's videos? And I want to know. And maybe I'm heading back home to take my first breakfast or lunch. And right now we're heading to 12 p.m. here. That's my local time, lunch time. Oh, let's go and see. Wow, guys, look, it's raining. I'm telling you guys. You see, You say even other side, the stagnant water. So means that right now the month that we're heading to, it's a month of maybe too much raining. Anytime. And I feel so blessed. So when we have maybe too much raining, the tank which I installed for my African mom would maybe able to get easily water. Oh, kenyere sana. Wekiru mkungu. Yeah. Okay, that's my neighbor also. And guys, maybe today's videos, when I'm walking by foot, I meet so many people, so many friends, man, actually. And that is good. You see how maybe I'm sharing this love to my village. That house that you see there, I have already promising you on Christmas I'll take that kid to the shopping center. I'll buy for him clothes, but first I'll contact with the parents, and then if they accept it, I'll do it. Because maybe I will not take my first priorities, maybe to take the kids to the shopping center and all stuff. But the first thing that I do is to get information from their parent. If they accept it, yes, and I agree everything, I shall take that kid to shopping center during Christmas season, guys. And I'll make that video clear. You'll be see, guys. So it touched me to support that kids maybe with some clothes and maybe some small shopping for this 25th Christmas. I'm telling you guys, serious. Wow, the way I support my family, I support my sister. So even for him, it's my brother from another mother, I want to support him. Wow, let's go, guys. You see, like few minutes it's gonna raining, guys. You see the cloud. Wow. Whew, let's go. Let me go and take my bike right now, because today a little bit I make an exercise, a little bit exercise. I can't complain. It's good, maybe sometime your body gains some a lot of exercise. And not every day from January to December I'm on motorbike. I didn't make exercise, I didn't do this. Man, I must do a lot of practice, exercise, you know, things like that. So guys, no worry. But I see my battery is 1% and I'm supposed to change the battery right now. Let's go. And for my beautiful subscriber, if you're missing my premiere, today you'll get, no worry. And I know, whew, I know guys, you miss my premiere. We miss my premieres videos a lot, but sometimes you understand. I didn't have datas, and guys, to be honest, I'm planning to buy a Luther Wi-Fi, which is cost $130. So to have a Wi-Fi inside my house, because I have the small battery, I can connect with it, and then 24 hours I will run through datas. Some 24 hours in the other way I will be online. I'm planning on that thing, guys, to buy a Luther Wi-Fi, you know. So maybe every month I can pay around $40 every month. But the first price you can pay $100, $130 I think there, because it's around 14,000 Kenyan money. That is it, almost $140. You can have your own Wi-Fi, not public Wi-Fi, it's private Wi-Fi. So maybe every month you paid. Wow, guys, I'm going this way. Whoa, guys, I feel so good. I feel so grateful. If I have a good chat with you on my videos, especially on my premieres video, when I'm premiering my videos, I had maybe a good chat with my people, man. You ask me, hello baby, how I was doing? I'm doing good, you know, through airline. You know, we can communicate the message pass through air, and it can reach one after the other through airline, you know. Wow, let's go. Oh, this is a local tree here. Oh, and for now I'm almost at my village right now. So I left Nyabohans, so currently I'm home. Oh guys, we shall meet when I reach back home. I will show you. And then don't forget, yesterday videos I will join, and maybe don't confuse. Oh hello baby, you give us Monday video, you mix with Sunday. No, because yesterday I didn't have enough time. I will mix Sunday vlog, guys, please. I will mix, allowed me, I will mix, and then you will see how yesterday Sunday will look like. But it's so amazing. I'm outside with my family, escorting them to the church, and then because I have some issues to running out, I supposed to hurry, and then I didn't finish to complete the videos for yesterday. But I will join today on today's vlog, guys. Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, it's a bright morning, and we thank God for the gift of life. And guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So today I have a good story for you, and it's a happy Sunday. Come on, then say hello. Maybe this Sunday will end the year, or I think this Sunday or next Sunday. Say hello. Hello. And then my sister A. They were like an angel. So guys, it's another day which God have maybe joined us together to see amazing like this. So anyway, so I want to take my breakfast, and then today, man, you will see how I was camping with my family from here up to the church. So it's another day. So after this, I'll take you outside to see the progress for on Tuesday morning. So actually on Tuesday I want to fix the ties serious, or between Tuesday and Wednesday. So because you understand, maybe the work for the mason sometime will be maybe on my side, sometime will be maybe on other side. So when he finish up on Tuesday or Wednesday, you shall see how I do. So technically I want to have my breakfast. This is where I'm coming from. And guys, thank you so much. Nowadays at least my family put something on table. So right here we have rice. Oh, and then sorry guys, right now my house somehow maybe dark because of maybe light. And this is the tea here. Oh, so today I decided to take milk tea, you know. Wow. So this milk tea here, and probably nowadays I decide one thing: when I take strong breakfast, maybe we shall meet on the supper time. Oh. And guys, I hope maybe yesterday you missed my videos, and because of you know, sometime maybe there's some challenges that I passed through my village. So there's a hand disturbing me. So maybe yesterday you missed my video, but today you get a little bit a good videos. And guys, to be honest, when I take strong breakfast, I forget lunch, and then we meet maybe supper time. Maybe supper we'll drink, maybe tea, and then we'll sleep. So that is it. Before I take this food, I want to pray. Almighty God, bless this food that are in front of my table. When I take it, in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Well guys, so here This is rice and beans, you see. Wow. Maybe normally I showing you maybe every day, but guys, I can't wait. Maybe you see how I'm escorting my family to the church and all stuff. Wow. Perfect one. 10/10. And guys, to be honest, this is my outfit of today. Look, remember when I'm standing like this? This is my outfit of today. Wow, amazing. Oh, these are star. You see, one day I will be a superstar. I believe on that. So anyway, guys, we shall meet when I'm finished taking my breakfast and all stuff. You know what I mean? Oh guys, I finished taking my breakfast, so it's time to wear the jackets and ready to go. Man, I'm telling you, I love this jacket. I love this jacket a lot. Whoa. I love this jacket a lot. I don't know why. Oh, it's because of the color, guys. Oh. Oh. I love this jacket, I'm telling you. Oh, I don't know why, guys. The reason why I love this jacket, I'm telling you, serious. And maybe it's because of this color. I didn't understand. And all stuff. Do you know what I mean, guys? Guys, sorry, just a minute. But oh. Wow. Now I'm okay, so maybe it's time to take my family outside. That mom trying to plant you. Oh guys, what a good day! What a good day! And don't forget, we officially launched this water. I'm telling you, see? Ha! No problem. We launched. Hey, my sister in small bag. It reminded me the Christmas of 2023 last year. But okay. Sometime it's wait. Sometimes, guys, we have men's slippers here. It confuses us. Hey, Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, guys. So because of the time, I want to escort them, and I'm rushing to somewhere else. Oh, Mr. Bruno, how are you? Bruno. That's my party, guys. Maybe soon I will build a kennel for my Bruno. Muita tutaya. Wow. That is it. Oh guys, it's raining time, and before we move, I want to show, maybe in case I got a new member on my YouTube channel today on these videos, I want to show you where Monday, I suppose Monday or Tuesday up to Wednesday there, 100% I will start fixing tiles. So anyway, thank you so much. This is the project which I was running through left, right, center to make sure that my family use it. And maybe another way, I want to say sorry, but this structure I was showing you from scratch up to now. But the reason why being I showing people is maybe when I get a new member on my YouTube channel, maybe they will know what Hello Baby I'm doing on my village, and that is it. And in case you meet my videos for the first time, please guys, subscribe, share my videos to your family, and drop the sweet comment. So I'm ready to receive that sweet comment from my entire world. So anyway guys, right now as we speak, we have the tiles for both 2 toilets. When I'm saying toilets, is this one and this one that are remaining, and then for outside here we have already have it, they're inside here for outside. And technically we like maybe the outside tiles here only, here from that corner up to this corner here. So that's the tiles which we are lucky. But I thank God the step that I made it each and every single minute. I want to say God thank you. But on the other side, I'll put rough cast painting and all stuff. So guys, you show me some love, man. I can't complain. So wow. And the crazy thing is, I have only 1 chicken and it has some chicks just over here. Look, that's the chicks, that small one. Wow, you see? Oh, okay, thank you so much, my good people. So right now, let me escort my family to the church because it's far away from here up to I'm heading to. And we company with my mom, sister, and my brother. And maybe on December we'll have my big brother. We'll have our second brother. But right now I'm just over here with our 3rd brother. Hey. Now these people are shining here. Say hello. Hello. Yeah, guys. So that's maybe it's our last born in terms of boys. But hopefully lastly is my sister. And guys, thank you so much. Even yesterday I put new tire. You see, I done all decoration. Look, at least now my baby is looking new somehow. So thank you so much guys. We shall meet when I'm escorting my parent or my family to the church, guys. Wow. Okay, so I'm outside finally. Okay, that is my sister, number 1, number 2 my brother, and then finally my mom at the back. Oh, so guys, we're fully outside. Guys, stay tuned because of time. I'm rushing my family to the church, and then all the time we want to say God thank you because through God he changed this family. Nowadays maybe no more struggle a little bit, but it depends maybe how we believe in God, how we be trustfully, and all stuff. And guys, you are amazing to me, and through you I'm trying to change my family slowly. So right now, in other way, I want to say thank you so much. Big shout out to Monkia because he made it possible. At least nowadays I have my bike. I take my family all around. It helped me all around, and it solved maybe so many challenges through my family. Maybe right, left, center, maybe running here, up and down. It's through this bike. And to be honest, if maybe I could maybe have maybe amount of capital, I could add maybe one more bike. At least this one maybe could maybe support us in other way. But anyway, thank you so much for this prosper that maybe I make in a few couple of a year. But at least I change the narrative from maybe scratch up to now. But it's God's plan and it's God's prayer. So guys, thank you so much. I wish you happy Sunday. We shall meet on the next videos. But today guys, you shall see, maybe because yesterday it's raining, I didn't shoot. Maybe that road is bad, but when I take my family to the church, I will show you guys. So stay tuned, stay blessed. I wish you happy Sunday, guys. Stay tuned. That is how, guys, I'm outside. So finally I meet a good road, at least. So wow. Let's go. God first, I'm telling you. Oh wow. Look, the beautiful day, but the way is so changeable. So anyway guys, stay tuned. I'm continuing with my journey right now. Wow guys, so finally we meet the tarmac road right now. I'm telling you. You see? Hey. People are going to the church, guys, right now. Serious business. See. Oh guys, I think we have already reached here. So when I buy bye guys, that's my family, and I'm heading with my journey. And right now, technically, let's go guys, we shall meet on the next videos. But today it's a good day, it's a blessed day which God have granted us. But today it's a kind of a drizzling time, so that's why we had maybe people on full combat or full jacket. Guys, thank you so much guys, I love you. Wow. Oh guys, enjoy this vlog, and kindly, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I want to end my video here. This is where I'm coming from, this is where I'm calling home, this is where I'm born and raised. And guys, I'm so grateful to be born and raised within this small family that we see here, guys. Thank you so much, may God bless you. We shall meet on the next video. In case you meet my videos, guys, subscribe. And I promise you, to tomorrow or Wednesday, I shall back to my project, fixing the tiles or on the wall, guys. So thank you so much, may God bless you. We shall meet on the next video, guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart, guys. Bye.